It was a display of glamour and the rich cultural heritage of Igbo as the traditional ruler of Umuona in Agwata, Igwe Sunday Ezofo, celebrated his 2024 New Yam Festival. The epoch-making ceremony, which took place at the royal palace of the traditional ruler, attracted dignitaries from the community and beyond. Correspondent Chukwuemeka Modelim now reports.
The colorful ceremony started with a Thanksgiving Mass presided over by Reverend Father Anthony Ezoke, who enjoined the Christians to always live a life of praise and thanksgiving to God, as well as promote the well-being of all in order to enjoy continuous blessing of God. Later, Igwe Ezofo of Umuona, members of his family and cabinet, offered thanks to God for keeping them alive to celebrate this year's New Yam Festival. Performing the usual ritual of cutting the yam, the monarch expressed gratitude to God for giving them a bountiful harvest after the planting season and prayed that the ceremony will promote unity, love, and harmonious relationship among the people of Umuona. He disclosed that the essence of the ceremony is to thank God for making the farm yield possible and to request from him a better harvest in the subsequent planting season, even as he commended Governor Chukwuma Soludo for his lofty projects in the community and rapid infrastructural development in Anambra State.
Anambra State n'ebe na ndị ichie na ndị nze na ọzọ na ndị ụmụọna ọlọ Igbo onye ọna n'ebe a nna anyị awaji a waa ya rie ya rite ndụ rite udo rite aganihu.
On his part, the President General of Umuona Development Union, Chief Kenneth Okoli, described the New Yam Festival as very significant to the community and the Igbo at large, as it promotes and sustains their culture and tradition, and expressed gratitude to Governor Soludo for drilling a borehole in the community to end water scarcity in the area. The Umuona President General, who thanked God for the gift of Igwe Ezofo to the community, whom he said is leading them well, and for his blessings and favor to them, asking him to keep flourishing the town with good harvest.
We are very happy. We are very happy. We don't want to be more than happy. Government today, since one night we go or we told him more we can go. More we go. Government today, no, we very chicken. Those are kind of have, and from here to the Kuta, other guy we go green light. Yes, on that. So now I do very happy. Umuona do very happy for Anambra State government. Yes.
Contributing, the member representing Agwata 2 constituency in the Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Tony Moabike, who is an indigene of the community, revealed that their monarch has encouraged them to go on and eat the new yam by first celebrating it, and commended him for being a good leader that has the interests of his subjects at heart. In their reactions, a member of Ozo Society of Umuona, Chief Ifeanyi Onyejekwe, and the traditional Prime Minister of Iswafia, Chief Ndubisi Osele, felicitated with Igwe Ezofo on the festival and prayed for continuous peace, progress, and the development of the town. Yes. From Umuona, Chukwuemeka Modelim, ABS News.